One like to make you sound, hopefully, like Danny Johnson. Danny Johnson is one of my absolute favourite guitar players. He played with Axis, Derringer, Axis again, Alcatraz, Private Life, and for a long time with Steppenwolf. He's an absolutely magnificent guitar player. And this lick that I'm going to choose as being, to me, representative of Danny's style comes in a Derringer song called Sailor, which is on the first Derringer album. And Danny sings it, he wrote it, and in the middle, him and Rick play a hellacious ping-pong back and forwards guitar thing. Now, hold my hand up, the lick I played at the start of the video there, that's what I thought he played for quite a while, and it's wrong, I got that wrong. And that would come off a G 5-note scale. Right? So we're playing the G and the B flat. And the slightly out note, the E, would be, and it would almost sound like, like a country like you go. Like that. But the slightly off kilter note, which is a major 6 in G, so we'd get. But what Danny plays is, yeah, that's what he plays. So he's coming off a D in G, still like a 5-note scale, and then major 3rd, so that is my Danny Johnson lick. Now sometimes live Danny would go and miss out there, but in the studio version, the lick he plays is. So that is my signature Danny Johnson lick. If you play that in the middle of a song, I will buy you a drink and shout Danny Johnson at the top of my voice, I promise you.